Are you passionate about technology and cybersecurity? Do you have a keen interest in protecting digital systems and networks from potential threats? Then it's time to embark on a rewarding career in ethical hacking. Indian Cybersecurity Solutions brings you the ultimate opportunity to start your journey as an ethical hacker. With their comprehensive course, you'll gain the knowledge and skills needed to identify vulnerabilities, protect sensitive data, and become a cybersecurity expert. Led by industry experts, this course covers everything from penetration testing to network security, ensuring you're well equipped for real-world challenges. You'll learn the latest hacking techniques, ethical hacking methodologies, and legal aspects of cybersecurity. Join Indian Cybersecurity Solutions today and unlock your potential in the world of ethical hacking. Start your career on the right foot and make a positive impact on the digital landscape. Visit their website now to enroll in their ethical hacking course and secure your future. Indian Cybersecurity Solutions, empowering you to defend and protect.